Welcome back. In this class we are going to look at some sentences and we're going to try to guess the phrasal verb from the context of the sentence, as you would any other vocabulary. So let's have a look. This PDF is downloadable in LearnDesk. Good. So let's look at the first sentence. Parents bring their kids up very differently nowadays compared to when I grew up. Grow up is also a phrasal verb. Grow, you probably know that plants grow, for example. Grow up we usually use for children. It means the process not of just of physically growing, but also growing emotionally, mentally. Okay? So, the process of becoming older, let's say. So, what does bring up mean in this sentence? Stop the video if necessary and think about it. I'm going to give you the answer now. A child grows up. A parent brings the child up. It also has some logic to bring up, to teach the child. Not as a teacher, but as a parent. To teach them values, to teach them how to say please and thank you, how to get on in life. This is how to bring up a child. Good. Number 2. Let's carry on. I was sitting in the garden when my friend suddenly turned up. It was a nice surprise. Can we imagine the meaning of turn up? I have to say that here I see no logic whatsoever. But we can guess from the context of the sentence. This is the answer. To turn up is to arrive unexpectedly, to arrive without warning. It doesn't have to be people. You can say, for example, that maybe you should save money because you never know what might turn up in the future. To arrive unexpectedly. Good. Try to think of this third one. Again, stop the video, think and guess. Try to work out the meaning. Number 3. The heating doesn't work. We'll have to get by until the plumber comes with jumpers and blankets. What does get by mean? Can you guess from the context? This is the answer. Get by is to survive or to make the best of a bad situation. The situation is not good, but we'll get by. We'll do our best and in the end it will not be a problem. Maybe I am in class and the lights go off. There is no electricity. It's not ideal. I can't play listenings. I can't see the students very well. Okay, but we'll get by. We'll get by. Number 4. Number 4 maybe is more logical and a little bit easier maybe to understand. The worst thing about being a teacher is always having to tell the kids off for their bad behavior. We understand tell. Can we imagine tell off? The answer is the following. To tell off is to reprimand somebody, to tell them that you are not happy. Generally this is very common with children, parents to children. They have done something naughty, they have done something bad, and the parents tell them off. You have been bad, and I am not happy with your behavior. Good. Let's carry on. Number 5. Just our luck. This is an expression. When something goes bad, you say, oh, this is very bad luck. Just our luck. We are always unlucky. Our car has broken down 2 days before our holidays. We'll have to rent one. I have my holidays are starting in 2 days and the car has broken down. It's very possible that you know this. You know this phrasal verb, break down. The answer. Breakdown is to stop working. To stop working. You have a machine, it breaks down. It doesn't work. It needs repairing. Breakdown is also possible in people. It is an emotional crisis where people can no longer carry on with their normal day-to-day life. They break down. They have a nervous breakdown. Let's do 2 more. Number 6. The wedding's been called off. We have mentioned call off. Put off, to put off is to postpone. To call off is to cancel. Good. The wedding's been called off. It's been cancelled. It's a pity. David and Sarah have broken up. I found out yesterday. To break up. Can we imagine? To break up. They have separated. Their relationship has finished. It is possible, again, this is one of the more common phrasal verbs, and it is possible that you know this. If this is the case, you are confirming what I said in the last chapter, that the most common phrasal verbs are, you see them so often that in the end you will learn them automatically. This is the last one for this chapter. He's the football club, we understand. He's the football club's most expensive player. All the fans expected him to score a lot of goals, but he's let us down. Down. Can you imagine what this means? The answer. To let somebody down is to disappoint somebody. To disappoint. You have some expectations of this person or of this thing, and you are let down. Maybe on holiday you go to a destination and you expect something marvelous, and in the end you are let down. You are disappointed. Good. We are going to do another chapter. Try to read the sentence and to guess. I'll see you there.